From the rustle of leaves to the rhythm of falling rain, nature speaks a language older than humanity itself, a language of balance, restoration, and life. For centuries, people have turned to the earth not just for food, but for healing, physical, emotional, and spiritual. Today, modern science is finally catching up to what our ancestors knew instinctively. The natural world has the power to heal. When you step into a forest, something subtle but powerful happens inside your body. Your heart rate slows, your blood pressure stabilizes, and your stress levels drop. Scientists call this biophilia, the innate human connection to nature. Studies in Japan introduced the term Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, the simple act of spending quiet, mindful time among trees. It turns out this isn't just poetic, it's biological. Trees release compounds called phytoncides, natural chemicals that help plants defend against insects and disease. When humans breathe them in, they strengthen our immune system, increase our natural killer cells, and enhance mood-regulating hormones like serotonin. Just 20 minutes in greenery can significantly lower cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. And regular exposure to nature? It improves sleep, concentration, and even creativity. You don't need to venture deep into a forest to experience nature's medicine. It may already be growing in your backyard. Take aloe vera, the humble succulent with thick, fleshy leaves. Inside each leaf lies a soothing gel packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that promote skin repair and reduce inflammation. For generations, it has been used to treat burns, wounds, and even digestive issues. Then there's lavender, known for its calming aroma. A single whiff can reduce anxiety, slow the heartbeat, and ease insomnia. Modern aromatherapy research shows that lavender oil affects the limbic system, the brain's emotional center, helping us unwind and find balance. Rosemary, often used in cooking, doubles as a cognitive booster. Its scent alone has been linked to improved memory and mental clarity. And let's not forget turmeric, the golden spice of life. Rich in curcumin, it's a natural anti-inflammatory that supports joint health and strengthens the immune system. Each of these plants is a silent healer, a living pharmacy provided by the earth itself. It might surprise you to learn that soil can make you happy. In healthy soil lives a microorganism called Mycobacterium vaccae. When we garden, touching soil, planting seeds, we inhale or absorb this friendly bacteria, which triggers the brain to release serotonin. It's the same chemical that antidepressants target. This means that digging in the garden isn't just good exercise, it's a natural mood enhancer. That's why therapists increasingly prescribe horticulture therapy. Guided gardening sessions for people dealing with stress, anxiety, or trauma. The act of nurturing a plant, watching it grow, and harvesting what you've cared for creates a powerful sense of connection and purpose. Nature heals through every sense. The sight of greenery relaxes our visual cortex. The sound of water and bird song synchronizes with our heart rhythm, slowing it down. The smell of rain, known as petrichor, releases calming endorphins. Even the texture of bark or the coolness of a breeze can ground us, reminding us that we are part of something larger and harmonious. Urban designers now integrate green spaces in cities because patients in hospitals with views of trees recover faster and need less pain medication than those facing concrete walls. Everything in nature operates in balance. The bees pollinating the flowers, the trees releasing oxygen, the rivers cleansing the land. When we immerse ourselves in this balance, our bodies respond. Exposure to natural light resets our circadian rhythm, improving sleep. Walking barefoot on grass, a practice known as grounding, helps balance our body's electrical energy, reducing inflammation and pain. Even observing the rhythm of the seasons can restore harmony to our minds. In spring, renewal. In summer, abundance. In autumn, reflection. In winter, rest. Nature's cycles teach us resilience. That healing, too, takes time. Healing with nature doesn't require acres of land or special equipment. It starts with small steps. Keep a few potted plants indoors. Snake plant, peace lily, or spider plant to purify your air. Spend at least 20 minutes outdoors each day. Grow your own herbs, even in tiny containers, basil, mint, or parsley. Use natural aromas, eucalyptus or lemongrass, to refresh your space. These small connections accumulate, reducing stress, improving focus, and fostering gratitude. When we care for plants, we learn patience. When we watch them bloom, we feel hope. And when we return to the soil, we rediscover the ancient bond between humanity and the earth. In every leaf, in every grain of soil, lies a quiet promise that healing is not found only in medicine, but in connection. Nature doesn't rush, yet everything heals in its time. When we slow down and listen, to the wind, to the water, to the heartbeat of the earth, we are reminded that we, too, are part of that rhythm. The healing power of nature is not a mystery. It is life itself, whispering to us, gently, to return home.